With me here is the new CMF Headphone Pro. For those who don't know, CMF is the budget-friendly sub-brand of Nothing, the London-based company behind the popular Nothing phones that I've reviewed right here on this channel. Nothing's thing is standout unique design, and the CMF brand aims to make that great design accessible to everyone. These headphones are the brand's first modular over-ear headphones. They pack adaptive active noise cancellation, a massive claimed battery life of 100 hours, and all of that comes in a seriously competitive price of just $99 US. So without wasting any more time, let's get this thing unboxed and see what CMF has packed inside. Peeling away the security tab and lifting the lid reveals the goods. Right on top, we have a detailed documentation guide. Lifting that out, we see the headphones themselves, a nice grey carrying pouch and a 3.5mm CMF branded audio cable for wired listening. Now let's talk design. These headphones are available in 3 colors: light grey, light green and the dark grey version that I have here. They're made of plastic, but I was immediately impressed. They feel sturdy and durable, not cheap at all. The cushions are also super soft and comfortable, especially for this price point. Okay, let's dive into my initial favorite things about the CMF Headphone Pro. First of all, I love the modular design. The cushions on these are interchangeable. You can literally twist them off, buy different colored ones from CMF to match your style, or just easily replace them when they wear out. I also really appreciate that the cushions are clearly labeled left and right on the inside, so you won't have to struggle figuring out which one goes where. My second favorite feature is the excellent tactile controls on the ear cups. On the right side, you get a physical volume roller that also controls playback with a click. There's also an action button that you can customize. On the left ear cup, you have the main power button and what they call the energy slider for quick buzz and treble control. Physical controls are always a huge win for me. They're fast, intuitive, and you don't have to fiddle with touchpads or reach for your phone. Speaking of controls, number 3 is the Nothing X app support. The headphones can be personalized even further in the app, which is available on both iOS and Android. It lets you fine-tune the noise cancellation, customize the action button, and even adjust the EQ. My fourth impression is about the sound quality and the noise cancellation. Honestly, for this price point, I was genuinely impressed. By default, the headphones are tuned exceptionally well for the average listener, meaning that most people will really like the default sound right out of the box. But if you want to personalize it, there's an option in the app that automatically calibrates the audio just for you. The adaptive ANC is also surprisingly effective. I used this on a long flight from Nairobi to New York and was truly impressed at how much low-frequency noise they managed to cut out. Finally, my fifth like has to be the battery life. CMF says that this can give you a staggering 100 hours of playback on a full charge. That is absolutely massive. It charges via USB cable, which unfortunately is not included, but CMF also promises that a quick charge of just 5 minutes will give you up to 4 hours of playback. If the 100-hour claim holds up in my full review, this is a total game changer for the price. So those are my first favorite things about the CMF Headphone Pro. For just $99, the combination of modular design, excellent physical controls, a massive battery claim and surprisingly good sound and ANC makes this an easy recommendation for anyone looking for a budget-friendly but feature-packed pair of over-ear headphones. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.